Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal. I am a registered ER nurse, self-taught chef, and foodie. And today I will be doing a what I eat in the day. So to get right into it, I like to start my day with tea. I have so many. This one right here is with elderberry, really good for your immune system. Peach detox is really delicious and also help keep down that bloating. This one, if you have a sore throat, I even have a bedtime tea just to relax me. But today I'll be doing green tea with lemon. Starting my morning with a nice hot cup of tea, it gets everything moving. It's part of my morning routine. I drink that and I head to the gym. Y'all, I am in the gym. I'm trying to get me a schedule down packed, but I'm of course doing some cardio. Many of you know with my weight loss, I did not work out at all. I basically just ate right. So now I'm incorporating working out. Once I get me a set schedule and get everything together, then I definitely will share it with you guys. So for breakfast today, I thought I was having a acai bowl that I picked up from Trader Joe's frozen section. Y'all, 0 out of 10 recommend.
It's not even giving what y'all said it was supposed to give. No, I wasted my money. So send me my money back now.
Although breakfast didn't work out the way I wanted to, we're not going to give up. I'm just going to take a trip to Target. I needed some self-care stuff and some more protein powder. I'm going to have me a shake. I buy protein powder consistently, so I had to go pick me some up. I got this from Target. It's called Tone It Up. This is the protein powder that I use. No specific reason. It's just one that I tried one day that was plant-based, dairy-free, and I just been sticking with it for the past few months, and it's been doing me right. It pairs well with all the different variations of shakes that I try. So this is the shake powder. All right, and we're back. I'm making me a shake for my breakfast. Y'all, when things don't work out, when meals don't work out the way you want it to, or you don't know what to eat, make a shake. I have a video on my channel where you can check out some, and I'll be doing an update soon. All right, let's get into lunch. For lunch today, I'm having an avocado toast. I always like to keep me some guacamole in the fridge. It's an easy snack, easy breakfast, easy lunch. I'm taking some mushrooms, putting them in the air fryer, putting my avocado on there, topping it with the mushrooms. And on the side, I'm having some of these sweet cherries. I love them. Make a really good snack and some water. Very simple. Don't have to cook. Just easy. Just an avocado toast, y'all, and that's lunch. All right, so for snack, I'm having a Greek yogurt parfait bar that I got from Trader Joe's. These are the bomb, y'all. Only 100 calories, so good. Alrighty, for dinner, I'm having a shrimp salad bowl. I don't know. It was just good, y'all. So I marinated me some shrimp, cut up me some pineapple, white onion, jalapenos, bell peppers, red onion. I have some cilantro on the side. So I'm taking all of my fresh vegetables and I'm going to make these skewers. I'm using the skewers and I'm going to just basically put my onions, bell peppers, shrimp, pineapple on there. Just, you can do it in any order that you want. But this is a really good way to meal prep because you can already have them made up and just throw them on the grill to cook them fresh whenever you want them. So I have mine on the skewers, and you already know it's hot outside, and honestly using the grill is just an easier way, in my opinion, to cook. So we're going to the grill. All right, while that cooks, I'm going to show you guys how I make homemade tortilla chips. Taking my tortilla and cutting it in triangles. I then like to pour some olive oil on it. Once you pour the olive oil on it, season it. I'm using 2 tortillas just to go ahead and make some for tomorrow. I'm using cilantro lime to season it. And then after I do that, guys, I'm going to pop it in my air fryer. and you literally only have it in for about 5 to 6 minutes, depending on what type of air fryer you have. If you like your chips a little bit more crispy, leave them in longer. It's up to you. All right, so here I'm just basically working on my rice. It's nothing but lime, cilantro, and jasmine rice with garlic powder, onion powder in it. Just a simple rice. Season it to your liking. When it comes to canned goods, I always keep me some chickpeas, black beans, and corn, and of course jackfruit. So I'm taking my black beans and I'm gonna go ahead and boil those. I'm also going to work on my corn because these are gonna be toppings for my bowl. Make sure you season to your liking. All right, let's put these things together. We got our chips, our corn. I sliced up some avocado. We got our salsa, black beans. Y'all, all of these fresh ingredients, very quick to make. The salsa just came from a jar. I just got it out here to look all pretty, but let's put it together. So first, I'm going to go ahead and get my lettuce and put that down. Once I put my lettuce down, I'm gonna add my rice. I did probably about a half a cup of rice. I then add my black beans, my corn, chopped up my avocado and put in there, topped it with some bell peppers and onions, put a few of my chips in there. Now, this is an easy meatless meal right here, but I grilled my shrimp. So I just basically took my shrimp off the skewers and added that in. All of this is good. You have your protein, you have your vegetables, all of the black beans and the corn to keep you full. I'm going to drizzle some ranch on here. This Southwestern ranch is really good for tacos, taco salads, really good for this bowl. I had this sauce on hand, which I like it. So I'm just gonna drizzle that over my food just for a little dressing. Y'all, this meal was so easy to make, so good, so fulfilling. Definitely something that I'm going to have for tomorrow. I can either have it for lunch or dinner. Y'all, the shrimp was cooked to perfection. I even had a little bit of that pineapple there, so I'm getting some sweet, some savory. You guys always ask me, what should I eat? I don't know what to eat. This is a very budget-friendly meal. This is very easy to make. I'm just squeezing some lime juice on it. I usually use like lime and lemon. Makes a good salad dressing, good topper. Just adds that extra flavor. Y'all, you can eat the right things and it still be good. Remember, while you're taking care of your body, that also means that you're taking care of yourself as well. Make sure you cut aside some time to just have a little self-care. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed my what I eat in a day, and I will definitely have more videos coming soon. So if you haven't already, click the thumbs up for more videos like this one. Be sure to subscribe and turn the bell on so you know every time I post, okay? Every time, every single time. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you.
Stay focused. Don't talk about what you're gonna do. Don't just dream about what you're gonna do. Don't criticize somebody else for what they're not doing. You be it. Be about it. Be about that action and go do it. Keep your eye on your intention. Don't let any outside distraction or your own insecurity stop you from your goal.